really is giving spring summer. Not the joggers, but you know, hair. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by KlaiyiHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also sipping slaying. Your girl got her Wawas today because listen, I'm not in my sipping window just yet. So depending on when you're watching this, you may be able to sip for me. Thank you. But anyway, before I get into day 1 and day 2 of this easy breezy glueless wig install, you don't believe me? You don't believe me? No glue. No glue. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from KlaiyiHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. It's been a hot little minute since I've tried a wig from KlaiyiHair, and they said, girl, we got you with the yak because we know you like textures. Now first, I should be washing my wig, but I got about 30 minutes before I got to get dressed and get out the house. So I'm going to do a little spritzing, but I advise you to wash your wig because in order to get the most out of your wig, you want to make sure that your wig is, you know, cleansed and light. For human hair wigs, they have been processed and processed some more depending on what they give you for your wig. This unit does come with the bye-bye knots, so that's a little bleach on, bleach off type of situation. It's also pre-colored, so even more product. And then the Yaki texture. Nobody grew their hair like this. I don't know where this hair came from. So again, you want to wash your wig. I'm gonna first spray mine down with a little bit of my water. Y'all know I can't find my daggone spray bottle. I don't know where it is. It just up and got legs and ran up out of here. Probably my teenager. And then I'm gonna use some hair perfume. Okay, this will help get all that smell, not get it out the wig, but it'll mask it. I'm gonna brush mine through and use my blow dryer to kind of I guess you could say fluff mine up a bit. Even though it has the bye-bye knots, I still need to tint my lace because lace is still lace and not all lace blends down to my skin tones. A little tapping of my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate, and I'm gonna tap that around the edge of my lace. It does come with the drawstring, so I'm gonna try to use that on my wig. I am gonna take off the hooks in the back for the adjustable straps. Let's put it on. Flip it down in the front. I know my head is big every day, okay? 23, gang, gang. Again, 7x5, so it's a closure. You're not getting full coverage on your side. So if you expect full coverage, don't. If it says a 13x4, 13x6, then you're good to go with the full ear-to-ear lace. Anything less than 13 will not give you the full coverage unless you are part of the peanut gallery. That's how that hairline is looking. I'm gonna use my blow dry brush on high and I'm gonna blow dry through this hair. Okay, hair is looking pretty good. Hold up, let me tighten down my drawstring. It's a little buckled on the sides, so I'm gonna pull it. Be careful because I don't want to break it. And then I'll lock it into place and then tuck the excess. It's definitely a lot tighter around my sides here, so I will not need to glue anything down. I probably can loosen that. I don't want to get a concussion. Let me relax that a bit. Use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline so I can kind of swishy these a bit. I don't see any baby hair or shorter pieces. I don't want to say baby hair. I don't see no shorter pieces around the front, so I may need to cut some. I think I want to do like a headband look first. Brush down. I do want to break up this hairline just a little bit. I'm going to cut into the lace right here. Cut this off. Same thing over here. Cut that off. And I don't necessarily want a widow's peak, so I'm gonna cut that back as well. I need my sides to come down further than the front. Bring some more hair down on the side. Then I'm gonna cut this a little bit shorter. Make sure this is all down how I want it. Bring down some of these hairs on the side here to cover. Tighten it down. Let me do some makeup real quick. All right, let's straighten this hair. I gotta hurry. This is 20 inches. It's below my chest. I'm not gonna cut anything just yet. I'm gonna see how straight it can get. I got it on high. What is this on? 430. I think the max is 450 for this hair. I don't see any shedding just yet. I'm doing the least amount of work. I need one of those what you call it, those little comb things that you clip to the flat iron, the chaser things, like the comb chaser. It combs the wig out as you're straightening it. What's up, Harley? If y'all hear my dog right here, he's just pacing back and forth. My little old baby. That color is real pretty. Take a little bit of my grease and I'm gonna put it on the hair to kind of help with those flyaways. Rub it all in, okay? Kind of add some weight to the hair for those flyaways. I'm gonna take my brush, my hard bristle brush, and just brush through the hair. Ooh, that looks exactly how I wanted it to look, actually. I'm gonna clip this back really quick because I want to shorten up those hairs right there, right here. And I'm gonna take some of my Eco Styler gel, help weigh that down a bit, and push them back into place. Bring this down on the side here, cover up that track right there, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of my foundation, just like that. Blend in this lace. For a more ideal blend, stand in front of a window. Filming lights and sunlight will give you a false blend. Stand in front of a window, natural light, a little shade to give you the most blend. You can even check how the lace looks inside of a car. That's the big snitch right there. They call it big snitch. I'm gonna put a headband on for this first look. So I need to comb the front back off my face, pull the headband up. Bring this out right there. I'm gonna put a hard bump on the end, just like that. Hair is nice and soft, looks good. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with day 2 where day 1 was cute, but I was in a rush. And then we're gonna do a little styling. I still didn't wash my wig, so you know, I do wanna cut some layers in here because it's just too long. I saw a video where she was showing us how to cut layers. She basically said pull all the hair up on top of your head like this, and then you're gonna cut across, and that will basically make your first layer. You wanna be on top? Let me scoot down so I can try to see as much as possible. About that much, I think. Let me come back up. And then she said on the side here, pull it out to the side. Where's that short piece? There it is. Start that next layer about there. Go down, and then this one. I don't think I did that right, but it's okay. So that's pretty much giving me like front layers. How she cut it was more like all around the head layers. I don't know what I did, child. This side looks a whole lot better. I don't know why that came out so blunt. Got my Big Bertha here. I'm gonna curl it to the back. That water's good. Pull that out. Let me add a little hairspray on this. Same thing over here. Emery, get out of here. I'm doing about 5 curls on each side, 5 to 6. I might have to recurl the other side. Pretty much whatever side I do last, that side looks better. Spray it down. Curl this one. Bring it down, bring it down. Wrap it up in my Velcro roller. There we go. Look at that. Y'all see the difference? Is it because of the way I'm holding it? Let's see. Hold it for a second. Oh, that helped. See, y'all, I'm still learning too, okay? Come on. Woo. This time I just did little swishies for the hairline. Let me get a wide tooth comb because I don't want to lose too much of the curl. Like this side is just falling out. What did I do wrong, child? What did I do? This side's a little better. I don't know what the problem is. I mean, it looks better, so I'm not complaining. This is definitely giving hop up out the bed, put my wig on. Pretty cute with the cut and the curls. I like it. And the color is even prettier with the curls. It looks like my hair was sun-kissed. It really is giving spring summer. Not the joggers, but you know, hair. I can even do like a little ponytail, crisscross applesauce it over. Yeah, okay. I'm pretty sure this is their standard density, so that's about 150, which matches the price. With that coupon code, this wig is 150. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but his money, grab it and run. And run now. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to KlaiyiHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.